Hi there. So Software has released an interesting lovely little tool from prompt to reality. I thought I'd record a video and go over it because some of these are quite interesting. So I'm gonna go first with the directory one. Just I think conceptually it's a very easy, a job portal, a directory, a listing, a directory for companies actively hiring for remote positions. Let me try a job board for remote jobs in the no code and AI niche. So let's see what happens. So preview, I'm gonna have to, I think, sign up and log in. So I'm gonna make it a creative or playful. So it selects the colors. Interesting. So I can show some of that. I can see some of that changing. Let's go with modern. I think it's gonna ask me to sign up. So I'm gonna quickly pause and sign up or sign in actually. So after signing in, it's doing some magic. Let's see what happens. App is ready. See it in action. So no code remote, discover remote jobs in no code and AI, browse opportunities. I'm impressed. Can I click? Okay, careers at openai.com. Adalo. Okay, where's the data? So customize app. I thought software had data powered in Sheets and Airtable. So what is powering the data here now? Mobile app, SEO, app history. I'll be honest. Yes, sync with the data. So it has no data source. So Airtable is not allowed. Next, please software Google Drive and Google Sheets. I can connect later, but then what's form, remote job details, theme, users, settings. Okay, now I'm stuck here. I need to connect a data source. Okay, I'll try one. I'll try Google Sheets. So it asks for a lot of permissions on on Google Drive and Google Sheets. And now I have Software Studio users. And there is an issue with connection to application. Let's fix them. Open spreadsheet. Aha, so this is my data. This is my jobs data. And it tried to, it says I don't have users. Add users. Is it supposed to have software record ID locked? Interesting. I don't have users in my app. I want data. Pages, come on. Form, I can add a job and I can, so no code remote. So I've got my thing. I can add bubble.io developer, ASCII Tech Labs, need amazing bubble dev. Uh, I don't know, Pakistan usually, ASCIItech.com, careers at ASCIItech.com. Submit. So does that make an entry here? Yep, its entries here and it's live. You know what? This is good. What? What oh, I think I'm gonna mess with software here a bit. I maybe it doesn't show it because I don't have a record ID, and it probably doesn't allow. Yeah, if I refresh the page. Nope, that doesn't work for good reason. Shouldn't mess with it. Uh, the search work. Yeah, I pressed enter and it worked. Not auto enter or something, but machine done. I'll be honest, I am super impressed because all I did was type a prompt. I want a job board in no code space, and I have a job board in 6 minutes. I didn't do anything here. So there's still stuff I can push, adding in behind a sign up or some approval flow, that the workflow logic between remote job is not, uh, it doesn't just add the record or edit the record. Oh, there's edit as well somewhere. One second. So you can add, is there an edit button? Where do I see this edit? Maybe it's a logged in feature. Remote job details form. Yeah, I'll be on, I'm not a software expert at all, so I don't know. But yeah, so this is super impressive. I'll be honest, this is super impressive. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Try another prompt. Internal tool. So it didn't change shape the prompts. Client portal where franchise humanity is X marketing and report monthly sales figures. Membership platform. It can engage in expert directory is the simplest one. Tutoring sessions. Did this just change? I think this changed. Oh yeah, this thing changed. Okay. This is really powerful because it's doing a lot of work in the background. Uh, in terms of the database, the kind of like the Google Sheets, the blocks, the sign in, the logic. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of work being done. Add homeowner, home services. Yeah, it's given me a marketplace with a lot of blocks. I still need to know software, but I can learn software and pick it up very easily. Uh, I have the sign in block, the logged in, am I not? So I've got sign in. These are demo accounts. And if I can see their address, what else can I do? Jobs. Okay, I can see jobs. See this job. Payment is outstanding. Can't I post jobs? I think I'm maybe in the wrong side. I was in the manager one, wasn't I? What about the client one where I can request jobs? No? I may have misunderstood what it's made. It's got form. See? Add home services. But then it's got jobs list and job details somewhere. Add jobs is here. Come on. Jobs. Also, I can search for jobs, but I can add. I want need to be able to add jobs. Basic, but an amazing start. An amazing start. Hmm, no validation as such, but okay. And this is again spreadsheets with multiple sheets, I guess, or sync with the data source. Continue. Oh, did I pick the same sheet? What's it gonna do? No, it's a different sheet. So it was the same Google Sheet account, Google Drive account, but it's a different sheet altogether. So this one has users, start free trial, magic link, and yeah, homeowners, home services, jobs, and users. Oh, okay. This is going to be very interesting to see how it grows and how people make lovely use cases. But I can definitely see quick job board spinning up in 2 hours. Done. Let's go live. Start marketing it. There's definitely loads of like it was easy before with software, but you get a big boost and a big start for this as well.